Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily promote your products on Temu. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If you're selling on Temu, promoting your products is key to boosting your sales. First, make sure your product listings are optimized with clear, high-quality images and detailed description that include the right keywords so your items appear in search results. Next, take advantage of Temu's built-in promotional features. They often host flash sales, coupons, and discount events which can help increase your visibility. Setting up limited time deals not only attracts more buyers but also improves your chances of getting featured on the platform. Another effective strategy is leveraging social media. Share your Temu store or product links on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Creating engaging content such as short videos, customer reviews, or unboxing clips can drive more traffic to your store. Finally, consider using Temu's advertising options if available. Sponsored listings can help your product appear at the top of search results, making it easier for potential buyers to find what you offer. And always focus on gathering good reviews. Customers tend to trust sellers with high ratings, so excellent service goes a long way. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.